Maybe I'm a bird, following the seasons. This is what I've learned.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fabiola. For those of you that don't know me, I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos, and I would absolutely love it if you consider subscribing to my channel. Also, make sure to check out my blog at FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. And I am so excited because I recently created a vlog channel, which will be separate from this one, and I'm very excited because that one will be more like a personal vlogging channel. I'm going to take you around my everyday life, my routines, and just, random things. So I'm very excited for that. I'll leave you guys the link to that channel down there below. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So it's officially fall. Yay! I'm so excited. Fall is my favorite season. I don't know you guys, but for me, fall, I love it. If I could live in a fall season year-round, my life would be complete. So that being said, today's video is going to be all about fall boots. I will show you a couple new shoes that I recently got, and all of the shoes that I will mention in the video are in stock. Hopefully they still are by the time this video goes up. I'll leave you all the links, all the details down there below, as well as in my blog, so check it out as well. I will do more close-up pictures and more details on each pair. So I do have quite a bit of boots. I have this boot obsession right now, and I think they go perfect with any outfit. So I will take you around and show you all those new shoes. Also, before I get started, I do want to mention that everything that I'm wearing will also be listed in my blog, as well as down in the description bar, as well as this gloss that I am wearing, which I am so in love with. It's this one right here. It's from the brand Clarins. And I do have some of their lip tints, which I absolutely love. So I decided to try this out. This is more like a gloss, but it's not sticky, which I really love because sometimes I don't like wearing glosses that much because they tend to be very sticky. But this one is very soothing, and it feels really nice on the lips. It is called the Clarins Natural Lip Perfector. This was actually sent out to me from Oaktolly and Clarins for me to try out. But I've been loving this, and it has this really nice felt tip. All you have to do is just kind of squeeze the product and apply it on the lips. It glides on so nice. And I got this in the shade Intense Garnet. It does come in 4 different shades, but this one here is such a nice color, especially for the fall. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the first pair of boots. So this first pair of booties are my favorite. I wear these so much. And I've even worn them in the summertime when there was a day that it was either cold or chilly. I would take advantage of that and I would wear these boots because I love them. These are from the brand Jessica Simpson, and they have this pointed toe and this kitten heel on the bottom. They are this suede material. These are the most comfortable pair of booties that I own. They do not hurt my feet at all, and I've actually worn these to go to the mall and just walk around. So comfortable. If you need a good pair of booties, these here are amazing. And they're in the perfect size that they go just right at your ankle. They look amazing with jeans. So these are my ultimate favorite. So the next pair of boots are very similar in style to the Jessica Simpson one. They have a pointed toe, but these have a block heel, which makes it so easy to walk in. And I have worn these for more than 8 hours straight, and I can honestly tell you that they are super comfy. And they are really nice also because they go just at your ankle. They also have a zipper on the side. And when I'm not wearing the Jessica Simpson ones, I definitely go with these, depending on the outfit, but they both look really nice. And these are also this suede material, which I really love. So these next pair of booties are also very pretty. They are also made out of that same suede material. I feel all of them are. And these have a different kind of heel. They're more like a wedge. And even though it's really not that big, I can't really wear these for more than 8 hours. So these are like great for like a night out or like a quick trip, but definitely do not wear these like the whole entire day because they will hurt your feet. At least for me, they did. So these have like a rounded toe. They do have shoelaces, and the shoelaces are so pretty because they have these kind of fringe detail on the end. And these are from the brand Dr. Scholl's, which they're supposed to be comfy, and they are because they do have like a memory cooling foam inside. But like I said, for me, I can't wear these for more than 8 hours straight. But they are very pretty, and they look super stylish with jeans or like a dress and like some like leggings or tights. They look amazing. So this next pair are not boots, but I just want to change up a little bit since I have been showing you a lot of boots. They are these beautiful leopard print slip-ons. Aren't these so pretty? I love them. And they have like this white trim detail around. These look amazing with leggings, with jeans. And since the leopard pattern is so trendy at the moment, I decided to get these because I think they look super pretty and they just look great, especially for the fall. I wore these to work the other day and wore them for like 8 hours straight, and I can honestly tell you that they are so comfy. These are like a pair that I would wear like almost every day. So this next pair of boots are a little bit different than the other ones. These are more like a military style kind of boot, but they are so beautiful. These are from the brand Bed-Stuy. They're all handmade and they are so beautiful. They're made out of this genuine leather. They smell a lot like leather, and they are really nice because they are so different. If you can see the leather, it's just, you know, naturally colored. So they're not going to be completely the same color throughout the whole boot. They do have a little bit different, like here's like lighter. So this is kind of like the style, and that's why I like these boots, because they're not just like one whole color. It actually looks so natural, so beautiful. Everything is like such good quality, and I've had these for a year. They are still being produced. I'll give you guys the links to these boots, but these are like my most loved boots because they're so unique and so different, and they do have this like zipper. I do keep this inside just to keep them, you know, standing up and keep them in shape, but really love these. The only thing with these is that it does take a couple days for you to like break into the boots. Other than that, they are so beautiful, and I would highly recommend a pair of boots like this because they are just gorgeous. So I have this pair of boots that I got last week, and I've been loving these. They're from the brand Mark Fisher. They're very similar to the other ones, but these are all made out of leather, and they have the pointed toe, which is one of my favorite styles, and they do have the block heel, which are so comfy to walk in. They do feature this zipper on the side, and these are ankle booties, but they do go a little bit above the ankle, which is really nice because you can wear these with dresses. And I really love these. They look like such good quality, so luxurious. So I really enjoy wearing these. So this next pair of boots are a little bit more beat up because I got these last year, and I do wear these quite often. I wear them to work, I wear them out, and they're just so stylish and so practical. And they are these right here, and not to mention these are the most comfortable pair of boots you will ever find. They do have this really tiny heel, and they're like a pointed rounded toe. And they do have this really nice detail right here, like this little slit on both sides. They're so easy just to slip on and off. These don't have any zipper, and they are so comfortable, truly comfortable. You would definitely love these. So this next pair of boots, I don't really wear it that often. However, I do love them, and they are these tall boots. They do have this taller heel, and I think that's the main reason why I don't wear them as often, because the heel is made out of this like really strong, I think it's wood, but they do hurt my feet when I walk in them for more than like 3 hours. So I definitely have to wear these only for like a quick trip. They do look amazing, and they are really nice, and I love the color because it's something very different than what I'm used to wearing. As you saw, I do have like a lot of like black boots, but these are like my only other pair that are not black beside the bed stew ones that I just showed you. But I really like these as well, and I think they're like this really nice color that you can wear for the fall or for the winter. So these are not a pair of boots, but these are some shoes that I really love, and I've had these for a couple years, so they are a little bit beat up also, but they are so comfy and they are so nice to pair up with like jeans and leggings. They're super warm and they're one of my most favorite comfy shoes, and they are these from Uggs. I literally wear these like so much, and I have them in this like camel color, which I think is like a great color because it doesn't get as dirty as the lighter one, but I would highly recommend a pair of these. They're great for the fall, and they're also great for the winter time because they keep your feet nice and warm. So those were all my favorite fall boots and shoes. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done already. Also give this video a big thumbs up if you loved it. I'd love to hear your comments, so make sure you leave some comments down below. And like I said, I will leave all of the links and all the details to all these products in my blog at FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.